Hello dear student. Today start from the chapter number 5th. Your chapter number 5th name is Does It Look the Same? And your topic name is Example Based on Different Terms. It means what? Different term, it means what? Here will be 1 upon 2 term and it means half term. 1 upon third term, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 terms. These are different types of example. Example is based on the different terms. But for your better understanding, I will share one video in front of you. So please all the students listen carefully the video for the better understanding. Okay, see the video.
Picture. So here is a boy in this first picture who is in standing position, means the legs are downside and hands are upside. Okay, so what will happen in 1/4 turn, means in which position he will come to. So if you will take a right turn in 1/4, so you will get this type of position, means a sleeping position you will get. Now this position is known as its 1/4 turn if you will take a right turn. So now I think you have understand this. Okay, now what will happen if this sleeping position will go to another 1/4 turn? So you will get this type of position. Picture third. Okay, means just upside down of the first picture. How can you say? Means its hands are downside and legs are upside. So this is, you can say, half are upside down, and you can say it is double of 1/4. How can you say? Means 2 1/4 makes half, as you know. Okay, 2 1/4 makes half. In class 4 you have studied about it. So this is just half turn, you can say. Now what will happen if this position will go to another 1/4 turn? So you will get another 1/4 position, means another sleeping position you will get if you will turn it from the right side. Now in another 1/4 turn you will come back to your original position, means to the picture 1 you will come. So I hope that you have understand 1/4 turn through this activity. Now let's start to read and try to solve some problems of this textbook. So does the fan look the same on 1/4 turn? So you can see here we have a blades of a fan. So all blades are colored in blue. Okay, so what will happen if you will take a 1/4 to the right turn? So what will happen? This upper blade will come here. Okay, so this is blue and it is also blue, so there will be no change. So here you can see a 1/4 turn. So there are no changes in this type of shape. So now come to the next page. Now will this fan also look the same after 1/4 turn? Draw in the yellow box. So at first we will observe this picture properly. So you can see the blades are in same size, but the colors are different, means one blue, then one yellow, then one blue, then another yellow. So what will happen in 1/4 turn? So let's try to draw it. I am just making the blades of this fan. Okay, so now if we will fill the colors, so here we will get the blue one, blue blade, and here also another blue one, and in top and bottom we will get our yellow colors. So you can see after 1/4 turn the picture is not looking the same as its previous picture. So now next we have a practice time. So question A is, among the following shapes find out which ones would look the same after 1/4 turn. Okay, so we have a tick for 1/4 turn, remember it. Okay, means if you will take a if you will put a tick, so that it will be a 1/4 turn. And another is a cross for the not look the same after half turn. So dear student, just try to understand. Tick means 1/4 turn. Okay, and cross means not looking the same as half turn. So here we have our first picture that is in a triangular shape. So let's try to understand this one. So in 1/4 turn it will come to the right side like this. Okay, so it will not look the same, so you do not put a tick. Now check for the half turn. So in half turn it will look like this. So, and this is not same as its original picture. So now here you will put a cross. Okay, because cross means not looking the same as in half turn. Now come to the second picture. We have a house. Okay, you can see this is a house and these are windows. And so check for 1/4 turn. In 1/4 turn, how it will look? It will look like this. So this is not same, so you can't put a tick here. So now check for cross, means not half turn. So in half turn it will look like this. So it is not same as its previous picture in half turn. So here you will also put a cross. So picture 1 and picture 2 you will put a cross. Now come to the next page. Here we have many pictures, so one by one we will try to solve this all. So come to the third picture. So these are two circles with blue one and another one is in you can say sky blue. So what will happen in 1/4 turn? In 1/4 turn the blue circle will come out upper side and another one will come to the down side. So it is not same, so you can't put a tick here. Now check for half turn. In half turn it will also not same. Why? Because it has two different colors. So here for the third picture you will put a cross. Okay, remember this. Now come to the fourth picture. We have a square divided in 4 equal small squares and all have same colors, red. So in 1/4 turn it will look the same. And yes, and now in half turn, yes, it will also look the same. So you cannot put a cross here. So 4 will be tick. Now in fifth picture you have also another square but with different colors. So in 1/4 turn what will happen? The color will be changed. Okay, so it will not look the same in 1/4 turn, and in half turn it will also change. So here you will put a cross because in half turn it will not look the same. Now in sixth picture, yes, we can see that it's a very beautiful picture and its all sides are same, means its border are triangular, and in the center we have a square and outer side we have it's a octagon. Okay, triangle, octagon and square. So in 1/4 turn definitely it will look the same, so you can put a tick here, and in half turn it will look the same, so you cannot put a cross here. Now come to the seventh number picture. In 1/4 turn it will not look the same, so you cannot put a tick here, and in half turn it will not look the same, so you will put a cross here. And in 8th picture you have a circle, means it's a wheel and it is in circular. So in 1/4 turn definitely it will look the same, so just put a tick without any doubt. And in half turn definitely it will look the same, so you cannot put a cross here. So in this way we have solved this. Now come to the B, question B. So try and change the shapes in such a way that the new shape remains the same on giving it half a turn. So we have to give half turn to these all pictures, but we have to change the shape of these pictures. So first we have here, so we have a circle and upper side we have a square. So there are many ways to change this all. First you can draw another square here with the same color. Remember this. Okay, you have to take half turn, and so all things should be same. So here we have a yellow color for the square, so definitely you will feel yellow color for this square. So this is the first. And in another way what you can do, just put this square at the center. Okay, so this is the second way to change its shape, and in half turn definitely it will look the same. Now come to the next picture. Here we have square and circles with different colors. So you can see these corners have white circles, okay, center have red, so everything is same, remaining this blue circle. So here you have to put a circle and you have to fill with blue color, remember this, then it will look the same, and in half turn it will look same. So in this way you can do it and must color this with the same color, remember it. Now here we have another picture. So circle and triangles, so circle will be same, and triangles you can change the shape of this triangle. So just make, yeah, the second triangle you will put like this, then it will look like the same. And here you have oval shapes, semicircle picture. So what you will do, the color is same, so what you will do, just make their color same, okay, their colors were different, so you have to color it with the same color, then it will look like the same. So in this way you can
Okay, this example is based on the 1/4 turn and half turn. This is a very most important example for the better understanding. And the next topic start from the next obvious video, and have a nice day.